Hi, I'm Stacy Weave from DP Technology, and I'm here with Esprit Product Development Manager Mark Palma.
Hello.
Hi, thanks for joining us. And because you're not here to pick Mark's brains about what is special about Esprit 2011, I'm going to do it for you. And Mark has agreed to submit to our questioning. So, Mark, what was your goal with this product release?
Well, I think with every release, we try to balance our development priorities to kind of maximize the benefit for all of our users. So we really focus a lot on our machining cycles and trying to spread the development to add value in each of those areas. But if I was going to pick an overall theme for 2011, I would really focus on the user experience and what we did to kind of make, or what we did to make using Esprit easier for all of our users.
Very cool, Mark. So why don't we take a closer look at how Esprit 2011 is going to save us time?
Okay, Stacy, so what I'd like to show you is maybe some of the user experience improvements that we've made to the software for everyone. Post-processor files are now managed in the machine setup, allowing users to associate one or more post-processors with a specific machine. Esprit updates are now managed directly inside of Esprit. Users can now automatically link to the DP Technology website to check if there is an update to Esprit, and if an update is available, download and install the update. The new command is conveniently located on the Help menu in Esprit. When the command Check for Updates is clicked, the updater will connect to the internet to an Esprit product server to see if a new version of Esprit is available. Pocketing and trochoidal pocketing have been enhanced to recognize feature properties for top blends, bottom blends, and walls with different tapers. Open Pocket Toolpath now supports wrap pocketing, open islands, and the extra moves parameter. Chamfer milling is now fast and easy. Blend properties are now added to the chain and profile features. So when top blend type or bottom blend type is set to chamfer, additional properties can be defined for the chamfer angle and the chamfer depth. So when the feature has the chamfer property properly set, the toolpath will automatically adapt to find the touch point between the tool and the chamfer profile. Creating a chamfer operation is fast and easy. 1. Select the feature with the chamfer properties already defined. 2. You select the tool. You can choose any tool that is able to cut or rough a chamfer. 3. The total depth defines the position of the bottom of the tool on the finish pass. Numerous enhancements have been made to all 3-axis mold cycles. A couple that I want to point out are new toolpath option, tangent pass extension. This new option will apply a tangent extension at the 2 extremities of an open pass. This new option has been added to parallel planes finishing, Z-level finishing, between curve finishing, 5-axis composite milling. For all solid mill mold cycles, 3-axis and 5-axis, retract optimization has been updated with a new option called Within Operation that optimizes retract inside the operation. The tool starts and ends at the full clearance height. Enhancements have been made as well to all 5-axis mold cycles. There are many, and the one that I want to focus on is the composite cycle now has a new option for controlling the orientation of the tool axis. This new orientation strategy is called Normal to Model. The new Normal to Model orientation strategy will keep the tool axis perpendicular to the model surfaces regardless of any selected drive surface. This new strategy is advantageous when a knitted surface is selected as a drive surface for a projected toolpath. Normal to model is similar to this strategy perpendicular to drive surface, except that the tool axis orientation is always normal to the model surfaces instead of the drive surface. Useful enhancements have been added to solid turn cycles. Solid turn drilling has been enhanced with the addition of full clearance as an option for return plane. The advantage of adding the full clearance option to the drilling cycle is that the user can set and view the distance on the technology page. New lead-out type option edge brake. To better support Swiss-style turning, a new lead-out option called edge brake has been added. Swiss-style lathes utilize a guide bushing to support the bar stock for better rigidity. Occasionally, it is necessary to retract the turn stock back into the guide bushing. If there is a burr on the OD of the stock, the guide bushing could jam or be damaged when the stock retracts. Let's take a brief look at wire EDM. In many 4-axis wire EDM situations, users need the ability to thread the wire at an angle to match the tilt of a cavity or when a wire cannot be threaded vertically. EDM 4-axis features can now be modified to add a tilted thread angle for 4-axis contouring and pocketing operations. Improved EDM feature recognition. Automatic recognition of dies, holes, and punches from solid models. Just select the solid and part type and that's it. Esprit does the rest automatically. Several enhancements have been made to improve the user experience in the Esprit workspace. New selection filter options. Now the selection can be filtered for 3 additional types of sub-elements on solid models: edges, loop, or a vertex. A new Normal To command has been added to the standard views toolbar. When the user selects the command Normal To, Esprit will prompt the user to select a face or a feature. The command will rotate the active view normal to the selected face or normal to the plane of the selected feature. New analysis tools. Users can now launch different graphic displays and configurations from a new analysis menu. The heat map command displays surfaces rendered in different colors according to the local radius of curvature. Review where and what is the minimum and maximum curvature, which can help you to select the most appropriate cutting tools. The zebra command simulates the reflections of long strips of light on a shiny surface to make it easier to see wrinkles or defects in a surface. The stripe display also makes it easier to verify that 2 adjacent faces are in contact, are tangent, or have continuous curvature. If stripes are connected from one face to another, elements are tangent. If stripes are connected and tangent, there is curvature continuity. When an IGES or step file is imported, users have a new option that will convert surfaces contained in the file into a solid model or a sheet solid body. This is an advantage because there are many functions in Esprit where it is easier to use a solid model than a group of surfaces.
Thank you, Mark, so much for this wonderful tour of Esprit 2011. I learned a lot. I hope you guys did too. And I look forward to seeing what you guys come up with in the future.
Thank you.
Thanks for joining us.